How to set a stop limit order on Gemini. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Next, tap the middle button denoted by two arrows to access the trading options. Choose buy or sell depending on your trading goal. Then switch to the stop limit order option. Enter your stop price, which is the price that will trigger your limit order. Then enter your limit price, which is the exact price at which you want to buy or sell the cryptocurrency. Make sure to double check both values to avoid unexpected trades. Next, input the amount of cryptocurrency you want to trade and review the estimated fees. Once everything looks correct, tap place order to activate your stop limit order. You can monitor your active stop limit orders in the activity tab to track their status, and once executed, the order will move to your completed trades. Now you know how to set a stop limit order on Gemini. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.